Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Jamie. I'm 54 years old and I'm rebuilding my Etsy shop completely. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I put my books on Amazon. My savings challenges are like little books that you can go. They are, like I said, on Amazon for purchase. Or I have decided to make them available on Etsy also. So what I want to show you guys today is a flip through of the books that is up on Etsy and in Amazon. So guys, I am super excited to show you this because this was a lot of hard work. Yes, it has helped me with AI. AI did help me with this, but the stories and the pictures were every thought that came from me, and AI just generated what I want them to do and what I want them to look like. So this is going to be like a speed through because they are a lot of pages, but just remember, I love you guys and thank you so much, and I hope you like these new digital files that are up on Etsy. As you can see, guys, Rocky is my favorite one. I love the little face of the raccoon, and I love the story that goes with it. Rocky is the very first book that I actually wanted to make into a story savings challenge. So when you read Rocky's journey to freedom, it totally makes sense, and it's so heartwarming, and it gives people hope. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video of me showing you what is now on Etsy, and soon going Rocky. All of them are on Amazon. This one right here is not yet. I've not got it listed yet. I'm still working on the file. But guys, I appreciate you staying by, watching, and the link to the Etsy shop and the Amazon shop is down below. See you later, guys.